Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Keepers Plains. Our phone number is 07384813882, and today we have a 2010 Kia Rio Hatch, stock reference number 4696. This shape runs from the 11th month 2008 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a G4EE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front wheel drive transmission. G4EE 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims, left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right front door has one small dent, right guard has one dent, right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. For the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.